For Wall Street Media, this is Nikki. I'm here with Doug, and we'll help you make money in the stock market with information you can't find anywhere else.
Hey, special day, man. We have Baird, their small cap healthcare conference. Baird are the finest, smartest, most wonderful people that we'll work with this year.
We love them.
They're my favorites for a bank. And they have good stuff here, guys. And now's a good time to look at a lot of these. Our Aspen Bio it has been up recently. German, you're still not holding that, right? No. And we've got some here. What do you have for us, Nikki?
Tierney Sacavino, Vice President of Corporate Communications for Accorda Therapeutics, ACOR, talked about the product pipeline focusing on Xanaflex capsules for the treatment of spasticity, in which they launched into almost entirely generalized markets, which will be cash flow positive in 2008. Robert Koska, SVP of Cepheid, CPHG, talked about the Gene Expert System, a molecular diagnostics machine which can handle up to 111 samples at a time at 58 minutes to test return per sample. The first purchase order will be shipped in December. Robert Conway, CEO of Array Biopharma, ARRY, talked about ongoing trials surrounding Array 543, which is used to treat cancer. The company has 5 100% Array-owned drugs set for approval in 2009, including Array 543.
This is a super interesting time for all of this biotech and the pharma stuff, because they're really moving forward and really starting to get things close. You know, for a long time in this sector, it's been, you know, we have this product or this molecule or whatever that is so far away from ever becoming reality.
And now it's like, now we're doing this.
2008, the one. 2009, right?
2009 is right around the corner.
Yeah, beautiful, super exciting stuff. And this is where you can really make some big-time home runs if you pick the right guys. Listen to this whole webcast. Nikki's going to tell you where. And use that as a starting point. You know, do they sound believable? Do they sound smart? Do they sound like someone, because you're putting your money and you're trusting these guys that what they're telling you is what's going to happen. But man, you can, and you know, a lot of these, not necessarily these companies we're talking about right now, a lot of companies in this sector are going to crash and burn. And they actually, you know, for biotechs, they call it a burn rate. If you're a sophisticated investor, you know that. If you're not, that's what you're going to hear a lot of them talk about is their burn rate, and that means how much cash they're going through. So you want to quickly look and see how much cash they have, right? It's a lot like Nikki's future husband will have to do. What's our burn rate going to be at Gucci this week, Nick? How much do you have?
Oh, yeah. Watch out, boys.
Anyhow, guys, super interesting time. I've made some, you know, you can quadruple your money easy in these, but you got to pick the right ones, man.
Yep.
What do you have for us? Interesting stuff?
Interesting stuff. Brian Pereira, President and CEO of AMAG Pharmaceuticals, AMAG, talked about furomoxetol, the PDUFA date for which is set for October 19th. He also talked about their partnership with 3S Bio to successfully develop and commercialize furomoxetol in China, for which they expect to initiate trials in China in the first half of next year. Tim Barabe, SVP and CFO of Human Genome Sciences, HGSI, talked about their first commercialized product, Abthrax, for which they are on track to receive $165 million in revenues by year's end in 2008. He also talked about albuferon for Hep C, on track for Phase 3 data in December 2008 and potential product launch in 2010, and Lymphostat B with Phase 3 data available in summer of 2009.
All this stuff right around the corner, guys. And it's coming close, and you need to pick these now. Human Genome, right, the market's ugly, right? I guess I didn't have to tell you that. But Human Genome, they're up 4% today. So I guess he made a good presentation and convinced people in this horrible market to listen to what he has to say. Right? They're a class outfit, and they're someone that you should be listening to. And you know, 2009, 2010, going to be here like this.
We're here every day at Wall Street Media. You can find us directly at WSMCO.com. Thanks.